I also want to ask you because while you had these global partnerships, there was also this episode of the iShares ETF, which could have come into the joint fold at some point. And therefore, I want to ask you about active versus passive investing because there is a view that maybe passive investing will grow. ETFs will grow much larger in size, which are not so large in India today. But globally, ETFs are very, very large. Do you think passive investing over time will become more popular in India than active investing, which is where bulk of the funds come in for mutual funds like DSP?
I personally feel both will thrive, active and passive. People will realize that active will have to show better performance. Passive funds of various kinds will come out. People will come out with passive funds of different kinds and they can create portfolio out of that. Many people who are managing the portfolio management for the family offices, for them, they can create a portfolio of passive funds and they can create also have an active funds depending on what kind of fund manager they choose, what kind of specialization they require on which sector wise, how they perform. So there are so many factors. But yes, passive funds will become more growth in future. You see the growth in passive funds. That said, people today, what's happened in past, the passive funds, the margins were too small, and today they are getting a reasonable. At the same time, active funds who are charging more will have to reduce their fees. That will happen, I personally feel, and both will survive on both sides.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.